Dear students, welcome to the lesson Magnetic Effects of Electric Currents. In the previous class we have discussed, what did we discuss? Yes, come on. Well, current carrying conductor behaves like a magnet. Then another one, magnetic effect due to a current through a straight conductor. Am I right? Yes. Today we are going to see three things. One is right hand thumb rule and magnetic field in circular loop and what is solenoid and electromagnet. The first one, let us see what is right hand thumb rule. You could have known that in a straight carrying conductor, the magnetic field lines are formed in the form of concentric circles. Am I correct? Well, okay. Right hand thumb rule states that hold current carrying conductor with your right hand. For example, this is a conductor. I am holding it with my right hand. Thumb finger indicates the direction of the current. Okay, my thumb is here, so it indicates the direction of the current. The remaining fingers around the conductor indicates magnetic field lines. Hope you understood that. Hold current carrying conductor with your right hand. Let thumb finger indicates the direction of the current and the remaining finger around the conductor shows the direction of the magnetic field lines. Hope you understood it? Yes. The next one we are going to see magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. So loop means how it will be? Like this. Am I right? Yes. Now, a straight conductor is bent in the form of circular loop. Now it is bend in this shape. Now it is a circle, is it? Okay. Now the both end of the wires connected to the battery and key. Okay. When the switch is on, what will happen? You know very well, the current will flow through the circuit. It can be measured with the help of ammeter, and in circular loop, for each point, for example, it is a point. For this point, concentric circles of magnetic field lines are formed. And for here also, and here also, for each point, behaves like a straight carrying conductor and concentric circles of magnetic field lines are formed. When the distance increases, the size of the concentric circle increases, but when it reaches at the center, magnetic field lines appear in the form of straight line. Okay? At the center. It shows that according to right hand thumb rule, every section, that means every point of the wire contributes to the magnetic field lines in the same direction within the loop, and also the direction of the magnetic field for each point will be the same. Okay. At the center of the circular loop, magnetic field lines appear as straight line. Because the size of the magnetic field line circle goes on increasing, at the center it appears as straight line. Okay, now when more amount of current is passing through the loop, the magnetic field strength will be more. That means magnetic field produced by a current carrying conductor depends upon directly proportional to the current passing through it. And also, when the number of turns of the coil, for example, now it is a singular loop. That means in the sense, suppose if I am making the number of turns of the coil, the number of turns of the coil is more also, the magnetic field produced by the loop also high. Okay? Because the current in each circular turn has the same direction, the field due to will turn just to, because the field is adding up more and more. Okay, dear ones, the magnetic field produced in the circular loop depends upon the number of the coils and the current flow through it. Hope you understood how magnetic field lines are formed in a circular loop. The next one we are going to see is solenoid. Now let us see what is solenoid and how do magnetic field lines form inside the solenoid. Okay, what is a solenoid? A coil of many number of many copper wire, insulated copper wire are winded up in the form of cylindrical shape. Okay, it is a copper wire. It is circulated in the form of cylindrical shape. It is called solenoid. And the both end of solenoid wire is connected to the battery and key. Okay, you know very well, current carrying conductor behaves like a magnet. When the switch is on, now this solenoid is a magnet. How magnetic field lines are formed inside the solenoid? It is same as in the case of bar magnet. In bar magnet, you have learned that magnetic field lines are in the form of closed curves. It emerged from north pole and merged at south pole, and here also it is same. But in solid, at the center, they are in the form of straight line. It shows that inside the solenoid, the magnetic field is uniform at each point. That's why at the center, the magnetic field line is straight line. Okay, here also, for example, if one pole of solenoid acts as a north pole, the another pole will act as a south pole. So, for example, this is the north pole. So, the magnetic field lines are emerged from north pole and merged to the south pole. Okay, this is solenoid. A coil of many number of turns of insulated copper wire are winded up in the form of cylinder shape. Okay, it is called solenoid. Now, what is an electromagnet? You know, same thing. When number of turns of copper wire is insulated or wrapped on the steel rod or iron rod, for example, now the both ends should be connected to the battery, then it is an electromagnet. Okay, the uses of electromagnet you know very well. For example, in bigger cities, to remove iron articles from the heap of waste, what do they do? In crane, so they have fixed electromagnet. So when it is bringing near to the heap of waste, the iron articles will stick to the electromagnet because it behaves like a magnet, and there are many uses of electromagnet. Okay, dear ones, and also we have discussed about circular loop. A circular loop, for each point, magnetic field lines are formed in the form of concentric circle, but its size increases when the distance increases, but at the center it appears as straight line. Okay? And on what factors the magnetic field lines and magnetic field depends in the case of circular loop is when more amount of current is flowing through it, and also the number of turns of the coil. Okay, dear ones, today you have learned what is right hand thumb rule and solenoid, then magnetic field due to a current in a circular